In this video, we take a closer look at the stunning 2025 GMC vintage pickup, a perfect blend of classic design and modern technology. The 2025 GMC vintage pickup pays tribute to the iconic GMC trucks of the past, combining timeless styling with the latest innovations to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. From the moment you lay eyes on it, this truck stands out with its retro-inspired design, drawing inspiration from the golden era of American trucks, yet offering all the luxury and performance you expect from a 21st century vehicle. At the heart of the 2025 GMC vintage pickup is its striking exterior. The truck retains the bold, muscular presence of its predecessors, with smooth, aerodynamic curves and a deep green paint job that harkens back to the classic era. The front grille is unmistakable, with a chrome finish that gleams under the sunlight. The truck's sleek, round headlights add to its vintage charm, while LED accents subtly bring the vehicle into the modern age. This truck is a beautiful homage to the past, with every curve and detail thoughtfully designed to evoke nostalgia. Moving to the back, the tailgate features the signature GMC logo, embossed with precision, just like the originals. The rear bumper is made from polished chrome, adding a gleaming contrast to the truck's body and giving it a robust, timeless look. The round red taillights perfectly complement the truck's vintage aesthetic, while ensuring modern safety standards are met. Step inside the 2025 GMC vintage pickup and you'll find an interior that combines the best of both worlds. The cabin is designed with classic touches, including a wood-rimmed steering wheel, leather upholstery, and analog gauges that give it a retro feel. But don't be fooled by the nostalgia. This truck is packed with modern technology. It features a state-of-the-art infotainment system, complete with a large touchscreen display, wireless charging, and smartphone integration. Advanced driver assistance features ensure you're safe on the road, while climate control keeps the interior at the perfect temperature, no matter the weather outside. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC vintage pickup offers a powerful engine lineup that provides a smooth yet robust performance. Whether you're cruising down the highway or hauling heavy loads, this truck delivers the power you need with impressive fuel efficiency. The engine is paired with an advanced suspension system that ensures a comfortable ride, while the precision handling makes it easy to maneuver, even on tight city streets. The 2025 GMC vintage pickup also comes with a variety of customization options, allowing buyers to personalize their trucks to suit their tastes. Whether you prefer a more traditional look or a sleeker, more modern finish, GMC offers various packages to ensure your truck fits your unique style. In conclusion, the 2025 GMC vintage pickup is a remarkable fusion of the past and the future. It's a vehicle that looks back on the legacy of classic American trucks, while moving forward with cutting-edge technology and performance. Whether you're a collector, a fan of vintage vehicles, or someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, this truck is sure to turn heads and provide an exceptional driving experience. The 2025 GMC vintage pickup is not just a truck, it's a statement.